So here's a little tour of my garden. I finally planted last Saturday. I got everything in. Um, so in each of these little square ones, I got the Aunt Molly ground cherries. Here, this one is just exploding, and it's already got ground cherries on it. Yeah. This is Lilikoi that I've had for 3 years, still going. Here I've got some blue Pepe nasturtium, and then these are the Schoenbrunn Austrian ground cherries. More Aunt Molly. Here I've got dill, bunching onions, and cilantro. Pot of strawberries. These are June berries, so they're starting to pop. I got a couple pineapples that I grew just from the grocery store. Just popped them off, rooted them. Some cilantro and nasturtium in there. These are all extra tomatoes that I haven't gotten in yet. And in here I'm trellising my cucumbers, pickling cucumbers up here on both sides. Both of these have the same thing in them. Pickling cucumbers, chocolate stripe tomatoes, nasturtium, and cilantro. And over here I'm just calling my tomato machine. This thing's 7 feet by 2 feet by about 1.5 feet deep. I've got 20 cherry tomato plants in there. I might have overdone it. That might be a little too tight in there. But I do have a nice drip system that I'm watering with. The only concern there is they're going to be packed in there real tight, and airflow might be tough. In all these bigger pots I got Lucky Tiger tomatoes. And I do have one growing somewhere to show you what they look like. They're kind of oblong, green and red striped. And then here I got 8 more Schoenbrunn Schoenbrunn ground cherries. Yeah, this is part 1. Part 2, over here, I got more ground cherries, another Lucky Tiger. I got this amaranth in here, more Schoenbrunn, more cilantro, a huge patch of strawberries there. I got carrots coming up here, peas growing up this trellis that they will, I hope they will. I have the Cross Island romaine lettuce and radicchio in there. And then, one more. This one has about 45 heads of romaine in here. I've got more of the amaranth, the multicolored spinach, and then strawberry spinach there too. So I'm in my garden 2 weeks early. Usually I don't get in till June 1st. I'm in early with bigger plants, and it's looking really good. This will be the best ever.